Okay, so this is Justin P. for the Assignment 1 for the graphics class. So the first one was problem 1. Went ahead and made the vertices for the triangle and then the indices that they're at. So when I build and run that, creates the nice star here. So that's the first problem. And then the second one was down here with the creating the circle indices and all that fun stuff. So as it runs here, so there we go with that guy. And then also can change the number of vertices. So if this is going to be like 16, we'll go ahead and do that. It's built here, and there you go. Now there's more there. So that's all that stuff. Also, I should go ahead and do it with this as well, because it said that you wanted to see that. Goes ahead and builds it, and there we go. There's solid. So I guess I should just real fast go through the code, even though you know how it works. So the winding we took into account, the indice amount is the vertices minus 2 to get the amount of triangles. And then I used a for loop that did a modulo to figure out which point in the triangle it was setting in the indices. So every single third one, or every third, it's going to be the 0 to go back to the center. So that's how that guy works. Obviously, we changed the byte width, and that's pretty much all that was. And then one last thing. So for the last questions that you were putting in,
What are you doing, Justin?
video. So the last one, just the little things you said to take care of here. I wrote down in a notepad. So for the first question, what were those formats? I said there are a type that has different components within them. There's the red, green, blue, and alpha channels, and then you have a different type size for each one. So 8, 16, or 32-bit numbers. They can also be unsigned or signed. And then the second question was, what's the difference between a unorm and a uint? The uint is just a type that is specific bit size for each of the channels, and and then some of them can be, all of the channels or just a few of them. The norm is the same thing as the uint, but it's normalized. And then the third question was why did we use some of these and why does it make sense? So I said on line 108, when we were setting the buff desk to an RGBA format, I said that makes sense because we want to use all the colors. And then it also makes sense to do it with only 8 bits because we're trying to save space. So that's pretty much all it was. Thanks.